G'day. My King Parrot just flew in. How you going, King Parrot? Just about to take a chomp of the leaf, aren't you? You're nice. Yeah, you look good. You're a nice looking red colour. Yes, chooks. Chooks are pecking at my bloomin'. They want my attention. No, it's King Parrot's attention now. At least you're a nicer one. You only take little bits of leaf. The other one the other day used to take the whole, it cut the bottom of the stem where it's called the petiole, and the whole leaf would fall off, and then it would take a little bit off the leaf. So at least this one's nicer, aren't you, mate? That's cool. I'll have to try and notice the markings. Yeah. It flew into the beetroot first up here, and the beetroot's got no leaves left on it for it to get. So it's into the silver beet. Zoom back a little bit, it's a bit blurry. And it's eating the yellow leaf too. How considerate. There's the beetroot. There's the beetroot there on the left. So it's pretty much faded and just like the garlic, it's all ready to pick. Just loving it. Eating my aged leaf, so you're saving me taking it off. Look at it, it's just at the yellow one. You're an excellent parrot, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're very nice. You're welcome to come back and help me do some gardening. Whoops. That's the woolly wagtail you can hear in the background. Yeah, look at you holding it. Aren't you clever? That's pretty cool. Wonder how close I can get. I don't think it's the same one as the other day. But it flew in pretty close. Look at it holding it. That's rad, eh? Yeah, you're pretty cool. Can I get a little bit closer? Thank you. Yeah, that's a nice shot. I'll just watch you eat my vegetables. I don't mind if you have some. You're more than welcome. Just leave some for me though. This is pretty close, this is good. Probably about 10 feet away. Oh no, the goats are going to come. Oh yeah, you show us how you can hold it? You want to hold it in your feet? So it hasn't taken any of the green leaf, it's just only on the yellow one. Very good. And my other ones you can see there, they are all growing healthily. So that means that one that was coming in hasn't gotten into them of late. Wow, it's just only getting the yellow one. Yes, you're a nice parrot. You're very nice. Very cool. I'm waiting for it to hopefully do something. No, it's just going to slowly eat the yellow leaf, which I'd probably nearly pick off anyway. So I really don't mind. What a great visit. You're my botany friend. You know which ones to take off. Yeah. That's right, Chooks, it is a good one. Finally we get some good friends that help out. I've had problems with the peewees. The peewee birds on my windows at sunrise at 4 AM. Just sits and swoops, it sees its reflection and wants to have a battle. So I'm pleased to have a good bird. Pretty one too. You're pretty long. You're longer than a school ruler. I reckon you're 40 centimetres. So what's that, 16 inches, I reckon? From its beak to its tail. You just slowly, oh rad, look at its colours. That was cool. You got nice colours underneath, haven't you? You're welcome to drop some feathers. I'll pick them up, put them on display. How rad. I'll zoom back, show you where I am. That's where I am. Just here in front of the carrots. But you want to see the action. Yeah, that's right, Chooks. We want to see the bird fun. And you can hear the other birds in the background. It's hard for me to hold. You hear the minor birds. Sounds like a car alarm. I'll zoom back a bit. There we go. Its head's like a, I wouldn't call it red, I'd call it nearly like an orange, a bright orange. Escort orange, I'd call it. There's a kookaburra. Yeah, because it's going to rain. We hope anyway. It just flew in. I was just giving a grate each to the goats. And it flew in. So it was only a few minutes earlier I would have offered it a grate. I'd like to hand feed it. Have it come in. Looks like it's relatively tame. Just keeps watching me. Hopefully it'll get used to me. I wonder if I should pause it. I'll wait for it to do something. I don't know. There you go. Look at it's holding it. You're a clever bird, aren't you? Yeah. Wonder why you don't just fly away with it. Because it likes the setting. Well, this was fun, but nothing's happening. I should get a little bit closer. I wonder. I kind of don't want to scare it though. What if I can? Then it might come back. I want to do something. Just going to eat the whole leaf. Start getting the green leaf soon. Hey, Mr. Parrot. You nearly got a whole leaf down. Alright. I don't want to scare it, so I reckon that's going to be it. I was going to leave it be. Actually, I'll pause it, see if... Oh, walking away. Getting hassled by my goats. Yes, hello, Dilly. Yeah, watching the bird go and tackle my silver beak. I come around to the front. That's good, you're just getting the yellow ones. Oh, big scratch. Both sides, double scratch. You're going to fly away now? No more yellows? There's some broccoli over there. There's heaps of veggies you can have. Oh no, it's going to go back and have a go at the beetroot. I want to go at the beetroot. Let me have a go on there. Yeah, Chooks, that's right. There's heaps of beetroot. But it's got pretty much all of it. Looks like sugar cane behind the right because of the size of the bird that it is. It's not. This is the big king parrot. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Here you go, a different angle. It's trying to hide. It's just getting all the yellow leaves again. You're an excellent bird. See my garlic on the right, it's going to be harvested. If you're still watching, 11 minutes, holy mackerel. This would be all the bird lovers would be still watching. They'd be going, wow, look how rad it is, like me. I'm just enjoying it. I'll zoom back a bit. There's the goats in the background with their new friend. That's what's been knocking over my garlic in there. Yes, it's been trying to walk through and some of the garlic have been flattened. Well, that's it. It's not going to get much in that side, unless it likes carrots now. Is that one of its friends? I think it is. Now where's it going? Going to the bean plants. Oh no, see ya! See ya, buddy! That must have been one of its friends. Yeah, see ya! Oh, it wipes its beak. It's all happy. It's had a good feed. It ate a whole leaf. Yay! Happy bird watching. See you later. Thanks for watching if you still are.